Howdy freeze dryers. One of my favorite things to do is fixing problems that freeze dryers encounter. And one of the most annoying things in freeze drying deals with the vacuum pump. This guy right here. This is your demister filter. And the demister filter is one of the ways that your vacuum pump helps keep water and junk out of your oil in your vacuum pump, and it helps to keep the vacuum pump running optimal. But what happens when your demister filter gets clogged or it's just ready to be replaced? It starts creating a fog in the air, or it puts oil all over your vacuum pump. That's why we've created the Remister. The Remister is a reusable demister. It's reusable because the media inside of it can be replaced very easily. The Remister is a direct bolt-on that will replace your factory demister. The Remister kit allows you to screw directly onto where your factory demister goes, and you can unscrew the top. It has a blend of filtering media that can be completely discarded when it's done and replaced with new. And unlike the factory demister filter, the Remister will not allow fog, extra oil, or anything else that passes through the filter to escape from the top. Instead, it gets caught in the filtering media. You can see the dark spot as opposed to the top that has the clean media. This filter has been used for multiple months now. The dark spot in this filter is all the junk that would normally go out into the air. When this gets 50% full, you open the top, dump out the media, put new media in, and you're ready to freeze dry again. The Remister can be used over and over and over again. The Remister allows your industrial premier pump to operate optimally, all while filtering better. You can find the new Remister demister as well as refill kits at freezedryingsupplies.com.